Are we going? Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Can I help you?
Hi, this is Sarah Lawson from the Department of Visa and MasterCard. How are you doing today?
I'm doing all right. How are you doing?
I'm good. Thanks for asking. I'm calling you from the Debt Elimination Department of Visa and MasterCard. The reason for this call is to notify you that you've been approved for the Debt Elimination Program for your entire credit card debt under the Fair Credit Reporting Act of 2009. Would you like me to provide you with more information about the program?
Sure. In that sexy voice of yours?
Hold on. I'm going to transfer this call to a qualified debt specialist, and they will provide you some more information about the program.
What about you?
Yeah, hi, this is Brandon. How are you doing today?
You're not as sexy as the gal that was just on the phone? Hey, something about debt collection or something? You a debt collector?
No, we are not a debt collector. We are a debt elimination services, and we work for Chase, Capital One City, Sears, Bank of America, Barclays, Wells Fargo, and Discover, sir. These all the major lenders come in a one flag called Consumer Financial Services, and that's the people who we are.
Okay. So she said you can get rid of my debt.
Yes, sir. Because, sir, what we are going to do, we are simply going to just do your total account balances towards your credit card lender. Because of this pandemic situation, the banks are charging you over 10% interest rate in this pandemic situation, which you are not aware
over
of.
how much? How much are they charging me?
Sir, that is over 10% interest rate, sir.
10%. Whew, I thought you said 20%. Okay, go ahead.
But it's over. So, sir, that is the main reason in this pandemic situation with the consumer paying over 10% interest rate, so they are no longer obligated to pay the rest of the balances anymore towards the lender back. And as you are one of those consumers, you are always up to date with your payments, and I believe that you haven't missed any consecutive payments in a row in the past 6 months, correct?
No. I like pay on time.
Yeah.
I don't.
That is the main reason, sir, according to the Fair Credit Reporting Act. If the consumer who are making their payments on time, or the consumer have paid more than 40% of their amount in interest or financial charges in the past, they are no longer obligated to pay the rest of the balances anymore towards the lender back.
No.
So far, sir, right now, how much would you consider you owe on your credit card which you are trying to pay off, sir?
I thought you guys knew that because you called me.
I don't know about that, so you have to
well,
tell that thing.
Okay, hang on for a second. Let me try to find it.
No problem. You can just guess, sir, that how much you owe.
How much I guess?
For you.
Okay, 85,000.
Between how many cards?
One.
Between one card you owe.
85,000. Yeah, I got $100,000. I got $100,000 credit limit on that card.
All right, and which card is that, yours, sir?
That is a Cascade. What are those guys? They're Cascade Union. You do that one, right?
Cascade Union?
Yes.
Union.
Yeah, it's a credit union.
Credit Union. All right. Give me a moment, sir. Let me check.
Okay.
Verify the expiration date for your credit union Visa card.
You talking to me?
Yes, sir. I want you to verify the expiration date for your credit union Visa card to make sure the card is still valid for your debt elimination services.
8 of. Let me get it.
All right, take your time.
Okay. Oh, that's where I put it. Yep. 8 of 2014. Wait, that's the wrong card. Because that one's no good. Oh, here, just a second. Hello?
Yeah, did you guard the card?
Were you the guy? You're not the person I was just talking to.
Beg your pardon?
You're not the same person I was just talking to.
Yes, sir. This is Kevin Ray, the senior supervisor. I'm here to assist you more further about the elimination.
Oh.
And I just took for the call because the microphone is not working.
Okay.
The microphone is not working, and that's why I just took over the call.
So what do you need?
He told me that you just is there to take your card, right?
Yeah, he already took it.
Does he already have your card?
Yes. I gave it to him like
Give him
twice.
the number?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let me talk to him.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yeah?
Hello?
Yeah, this is David again, sir. Like,
David.
we're finding the expiration date.
Oh, expiration date? Yeah. 7 of 2025.
What was that?
7 of 2025.
Alright, and as a very next step, what I'm gonna do for you, I will go ahead and pull up the quick account summary for your credit card. I will let you know that how much you have balance exactly as of today's date.
Okay.
What was the last payment you went? The minimum payment which is required on you the current interest rate.
Okay.
So I want you to verify, in order to pull out the billing statements, I want you to verify with the card number begins with number 4.
You already got it. I gave it to you.
What was that?
I gave you the credit card number.
When?
Like 5 minutes ago.
So you haven't given me any credit card numbers. So
I
I want you to verify with the number one more time.
Oh. Huh.
Verify with the card number from number.
Oh, I found it. 1-800 eat and die.
Eat and die.
Yeah. I'm gonna have fun with this one. It's gonna have to be bleep. Cause I'm gonna have to bleep a couple. Hey, you still there? Hello. Hi, bye. I guess I don't get my debt credit or my credit debt or I guess I don't get the credit card paid off. He's still there though. God, that's so fun. Turn the mic on, turn the camera on, and get a fucking bleeping. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Span. Okay. We're going to do this. We're going to go. Doomp.